Here, I'm gonna try something. Never done this before. I wonder if there's any way I can get this stool, boom, to land. Just gonna, boop, sha. Somebody gave these to us. I love free stuff. The backs are all in decent shape. They got a nice swivel. They're just solid, nice. I hate to throw them away, but these are bar height and we need them counter height. So I'm gonna shrink it down. I'm gonna make a counter height stool. It's anywhere from 22 to 27 inches high. I like the 24 mark. It's comfortable. The goal is to get 10 inches of space from here to your knee. This has got some cushion on it, so I just took a board, laid it on there just so I can see. We're at about 32 and a half, and this compresses 2 inches, so we're at about 30 and a half, and that's just too tall. So we're gonna take 6 inches off, because I want mine at 24 when this is compressed. So let me show you how I do it. Hey, it's got kind of my wiggle. It's got my energized wiggle. Had some scrap plywood. You can use whatever wood you got laying around. You just want to make sure that the jig is wider than your leg. My leg's about 1.75 inches, I think I measured. Anyway, this works out great. I had this scrap, 2.25 inches. We need to make 3 6-inch pieces. Here we go. I want them all to be the same, so I am just going to stack them together. I can already feel I got a little bit of offy off on this one. It doesn't have to be exact, so I'm just going to trim that. Doobly-doo, wobbly-dee. Got 3 exact same size pieces. Here's what I do. All kinds of ways you could fasten this. I'm in a hurry. Sometimes I use hot glue. I'm going to use CA glue today. So I just want to confirm that my piece is going to be big enough. I don't want to assemble it like this. I'm going to go ahead and assemble it like, maybe I should trim that a little bit. I thought I had enough meat to go like this. Yeah, I need a little bit. No, that'll work. We're going to do it. We're going to try it. Let me show you. So I'm going to put this on the inside. I'm going to use a little CA glue. It's fast, quick, fast, in a hurry. Whoa, a lot of CA glue and some activator. With this, it'll just glue right on. And then this activates it. Wa-da-da. Hold that for a few seconds. Boop. And not use as much glue this time. Put a line down there. I use a piece of flex tape over. Just add it. I hate when these dry out. Useless. And then I will just activate the side that's getting glued. Set that on like that. Hold it in place for a couple seconds. CA glue is super glue. CA is a fancy word. And this is activator. So when this touches that, instant. Pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff. Instant bond. See how fast that was? So here's my little 6-inch cutoff jig. And I was cutting a tree yesterday and I got poison branch. There's like a big log fell on the fence right here. I didn't notice, covered in poison ivy, and I'm just going, Anyway, I got some behind my ear and I want to rip my ear off. I'm so allergic. I'm surprised I'm not in the hospital. Okay, so this is my Ryobi oscillating cutoff. Little angry guy. I've got a Milwaukee one I like better, but this one I had with a fresh blade on it. So all we're going to do is keep this level with our jig, and we're going to cut through the leg. Pretty slick, actually. How cool is that? Nice and flush. And then I like to leave this guy on here just so I don't tip my stool over when I cut the other 3. Hey, you guys want to see some magic? Ready? Avada Kedavra. Wait, that's like a death curse, isn't it? All right, let me try that again. Most woodworkers are kung fu masters. I'm pretty sure you know that, but I just want to prove it. No, hold on. Oh, that's funny. You know, I always get the Harry Potter theme song and Jurassic Park mixed up in my head, but hold on. Harry Potter. Da, da, da. Wait. Da, ba, da, 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 da. Big Belly Hummus! Pretty cool, huh? That wasn't a killer curse. Anyway, I like to leave those in place. That way when I'm cutting all of them, they don't. So I'm going to go ahead and cut. And what's cool, you can see this. Like, good night. That's, yeah. I can't put it on the, what? I don't, zippity-doo-dah. That's how you do it. Look at that. Look at that angle. Oh, I don't, just like this. Cool is I can just reposition it because it's all the same height. Big Belly Hummus! Again, I like to keep the legs on. Oh, it's so shaky. You know, painter's tape let me down yesterday. We were doing a barn door install, and I always mark my studs with painter's tape because I don't like doing touch-ups because a lot of times the client's touch-up paint is in the attic. let me down. Pulled some paint off the wall. I might have to switch to green. I'm a big blue guy. Anyway, I'm just taping this so it doesn't fall on my head when I'm cutting the other two. Perfect sense. Sometimes tools like this that vibrate, you wonder if this is stationary. And you're the one doing this? Nobody does. I don't know why I said that. Here we go. Remember, keep this just flush and you have no problema. And it helps if you put a fresh blade on. You don't want one that you ground a nail on. Man who catch fly with chopstick. And normally I just rattle off all four of these, but we're going to take this up and test it. Learned my lesson one or too many times. Italian. That's what I listen to when I cook. Fly me to the moon. Let me say evermore. You are all right along for and adore. Please be true. I think my girls have one of these while I'm cooking. Every time I start singing. Drowned out daddy. All right, that's pretty cool. Remove el tapo, Spanish for tape. Here, I'm gonna try something. Never done this before. And take the tape off. Wonder if there's any way I can get this stool, boom, to land. Oh, it's like, dude, perfect. I have an idea. This is my, holy crap, I've been sanding for 4 hours. I do this and look up. Oh, it helps. It helps. Anyway, this isn't gonna work. It's gotta be so fast. Ready? Are you ready? It's just gonna go, boop. It's like growing up, I thought I could jump off the side of a van going 5 miles an hour. As long as I just jumped straight up and landed straight, no problem. We'll see. Okay. I'm going the wrong direction. I probably should go the other way, but here we go. Oh, you know this. Oh, yeah. You got to be careful. You got to remember, where are the kids? Are they right over there? Okay. Here we go. Just gonna boop, sha. All this work for an epic fail, but I'm in my head. This works. This is one of those videos, where you want to see the end so bad, and it's like, what do they call it? What is it? Farming? Ready? Here it goes. Huh? No. I gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Yeah, I knew it would work. I never doubted. I never doubted for 1 second. That was awesome. Oh, moment of truth. Let's see, aesthetically, they're big stools. They're comfy. This is kind of cramped, but we never put anything here that's breakable anymore. All right, here we go. Oh. That is nice. I could watch you do all the dishes pretty easily from this spot. Oh, you know what? If I'm making pico after a long day, I got a spot now to cut, prep. This is nice. I like it. Yeah, I'm going to cut the other 3.
Walk that way.
Wait, which way did you want me to walk?
That way.
Oh, wait. Which way?
That way.
I'm going to go cut the other 3.